morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So let's begin the class. Today's subject is social science. Today's subject is social science and the topic is our world. In the previous class, you learned the shape of the earth. Globes, maps, difference between globes and maps, continents, oceans, latitudes and longitudes. Today, check the understanding the text. Be ready to tell the answers. I will read the questions. Write the answers in blackboard. To check their spellings and write down. Okay. Open the page number 328. 328. Exercise. First one. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a two-dimensional representation of the earth. Dash is a two-dimensional representation of the earth. Answer is map. First answer is map. M-A-P. Map is a two-dimensional representation of the earth. Second one, dash are parallel lines. Answer is latitudes. Latitudes. Latitudes or parallel lines. Third one, dash is the smallest continent in the world. Tell me answer. Smallest continent. You know smallest continent? Yes, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Answer is Australia. Australia. Fourth one, latitudes and longitudes intersect to make a web-like structure called grid. Answer is grid. G-R-I-D. Latitudes and longitudes intersect to make a web-like structure called grid. Fifth one, the dash is considered as the 0-degree longitude. Answer is prime meridian. The prime meridian is considered as the 0-degree longitude. P-R-I-M-E. Prime meridian. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N. Prime meridian is considered as the 0-degree longitude. Next, we'll go to the true or false. First one, the shape of the earth is a perfect sphere. The shape of the earth is a perfect sphere. True or false? False. Answer is false. Second one, the equator is the most important line of longitude, marked as 180 degree. The equator is the most important line of longitude marked as 180 degree. Answer is wrong. Third one, the Pacific Ocean is the smallest ocean. Yeah, the Pacific Ocean is the smallest ocean. No, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Answer is false. Fourth one, the Indian Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Indian Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. No, the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, and the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. Answer is false. Longitudes run from north to south. Longitudes run from north to south. Answer is true. Next, we'll go to the answer the question. What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? Yes, the shape of the earth is oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. The shape of the earth is oblate spheroid. Second one, how many countries are there in Africa? How many countries are there in Africa? Yes, there are 54 countries of Africa. There are 54 countries of Africa. Third one, how many oceans are there? Name them. How many oceans are there? Name them. How many oceans? Yes, there are 5 oceans in the world. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, third one, Indian Ocean, fourth one, Southern Ocean, fifth one, Arctic Ocean. Others answers will be send you notes. ಇನ್ನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.